Welcome to Navy Paints. In this video, I'll be going through my epic Blood Angel army. So this army here is 3,150 points. These are all 3D prints. It took me about a month to paint. Adding all the squad markings and chapter symbols on the shoulder pads was a nightmare, but overall, I'm really happy with the end result. With that, let's crack in. So going through the army here, I've got my Lord Commander in Terminator armor, leading the Terminator unit. I've made this spare Chaplain base here if I want to swap out the Lord for the Chaplain. Here I've got 3 units of bikes and 1 unit of attack bikes. Each of the bike units have a character in them, so I've got a Captain here, a Chaplain and a Librarian. Here I've got the 4 Land Raiders and the Vindicator. These are the transport units for the Terminator squads. Back here I've got my Death Company unit with jump packs led by a Chaplain. Here I've got 6 bases of Space Marines, they're all mounted in Rhinos. I put in a command squad, as visually it looks cool in a Marine army, but this only counts as a captain for in-game purposes. For the land speeders, I've gone with 2 units of 5, these are land speeder tornadoes, so they've got the extra missiles on the sides. And the final thing is the Thunderhawk gunship. So that's 3,150 points of epic Blood Angel Space Marines. It was really fun working with models at this scale, and I'll definitely be doing another epic army in the future. Thanks for watching Navy Paints. If you liked the video, please click the sub button or leave me a like. If there's anything you'd like to see in a future video, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Catch ya.
Brothers of the Third Company, show them no mercy for the Emperor! Strike hard, strike fast, brothers! My mind is an unbreakable fortress. Death Company with me! Show them no mercy! We deliver the Emperor's angels into the furnace of war. Death from above!
Through speed and precision, we bring death to our enemies. We are chosen by the Emperor.